I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. So I'm going to be reviewing yet another Janet collection unit. It's also from the same collection as the unit I'm wearing right now. This is the Daily, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Lovely. I got it in the same color that I'm wearing, which is the golden bronze. This is from the Janet Color Me 6-inch Deep Part Lace collection. So here is what the stock card looks like. Let me just take this out of the box and I'll show you what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what Miss Lovely looks like. As you can see, it looks like the main difference between Daily and Lovely would be the Daily is more of a straight, I mean, it got a couple curls going on in there, but it's definitely more straight than the Lovely. The Lovely has more of these romantic curls, which I like a lot. I feel like I may actually like this one better than the Daily. So the front of the unit does have baby hairs. It has a 6-inch parting going right down the middle. Then it has your 2 combs in the front near the parting space, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. So let me just cut the lace off and I'll show you what it looks like on. Okay guys, so this is Miss Lovely. I did not do multiple styles with this one due to the fact that it's just this single parting going down the middle. This unit definitely did experience a good amount of shedding while I was just combing out the curls some. I wouldn't say it was ridiculous, but there was definitely a good amount of shedding. So be aware of that because this is straight out of the box and I'm getting some shedding. I mean, the curl pattern and everything is beautiful. The color is beautiful. The texture, I love it. It's straight up Yaki. I like the way that it's curled, the way that it falls. I really like the length a lot. But just like the Daily unit, it's not really anything that's popping out to me to make it so different than many of the other units I've tried from this collection. So all in all, it is a cute wig. I feel like there's not really anything that's too different and unique about this unit that would make me actually go and pick it up again, if you get what I'm saying. Not saying that it's a bad unit, but I just feel like I've seen others that kind of mimic this and do the same thing, and even some with more parting space. But if you are a fan of this style, I definitely do say pick it up because this Yaki texture is beautiful, and just the curls are really pretty. This is all the hair to the front. It's a really full, nice density. It's pretty thick. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. I would definitely suggest these units to somebody who's new to wigs, just because you put minimal work and effort into it and it looks like this. Like, the parting space is great. The fact that it's darker lace, like, come on. I put the powder in the inside of the parting, and when I popped it on, I didn't even need to put it on the outside, but I just did, just to give that extra pop. But like, I mean, the parting's great. I mean, I do like it. Yeah, it's cute, especially if you're just like, you just want to throw it on and go and just not have to put any work into it. I definitely would suggest it, but definitely just beware of the shedding, because I'm not, look at this, not getting any tangling. I run my hands right through. Yeah, so as a whole, I definitely do like this unit. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this one. Hope you guys like this video. Give me a comment down below if you think there's another unit you want me to pick up, that you want to try, different colors. Just, I'm all down for the suggestions. Just leave me a comment and let me know. But until then, I hope to see you guys soon, and thank you for checking this video out. Bye.